Welcome to Hair Raising Questions. Today we're going to compare ESD shoes and foot grounders, and we're going to discuss the benefits and disadvantages of both. Firstly, let's talk about ESD foot grounders. These are popular because they're easy to install, they fit over any shoe, and are cost effective. Foot grounders create a path to ground by connecting your shoes to a conductive surface, dissipating static charges. Because they make more direct contact with the operator via the grounding tab, foot grounders typically work instantly upon being applied. Foot grounders provide flexibility and convenience, making them an attractive option for many workplaces. For example, they are a good option in environments where employees wear different types of footwear, or they need to switch quickly between grounded and non-grounded areas. Foot grounders can wear out quickly, especially on rough or abrasive flooring surfaces, and their effectiveness can diminish if they're not worn properly. So this necessitates a commitment to daily checks, which ensures ongoing protection against ESD. ESD shoes, as the name suggests, are shoes that are designed specifically to dissipate static charges without the need for additional components like tabs or straps. This can lower the chances of people putting them on incorrectly and can make them a more durable option. However, they do come with a higher initial cost and may need a few minutes to reach optimal conductivity each time they're put on. Additionally, ESD shoes require careful selection to match the correct resistance levels needed for your specific environment, for example pairing it with your specific ESD floor. Many manufacturers of ESD shoes reference ASTM standards for their ESD specification, but they don't say anything about conforming to IEC standards. These standards are written specifically for electronics manufacturing and handling. The walking test defined in the standards shown here is one of the most important methods for qualifying ESD shoes for use in ESD protected areas, and therefore reference to and compliance to the IEC standards really is critical. In summary, while both ESD shoes and foot grounders have their merits, the flexibility, immediate effectiveness and lower initial cost of foot grounders make them an appealing choice for many environments. Foot grounders offer an adaptable and cost-effective solution for ESD protection, especially in a dynamic workplace where footwear needs may vary. Of course, your specific workplace requirements, budget and application will be important factors when deciding between ESD shoes and foot grounders. Ensuring proper operator grounding is crucial for safeguarding sensitive electronic components. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Hair Raising Questions. For the next video in our Hair Raising Questions series, click just up here, and for our ESD Basics bite-sized playlist, click just down here. Please give this video a like, and to make sure that you catch all our latest videos, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell.